In this video, we are going to see how we can import data that we have already recorded somewhere in our Dropbox. Let's go back to the menu, but instead of selecting template, let's select import. And we can see we have recorded already some databases previously. Let's import a small one first. We see now we have a new database with some recipes. Let's go back and import a larger database. There are several thousand recipes, so it will take a little bit longer to actually import. Database is now being imported. Here. And we can see that we have many recipes available. Some look quite tempting. We can look at one here, and we can see there are many different fields and quite a lot of text. But the appearance of the database is not quite satisfactory, so let's go to the form definition screen into options, and here we want the title of the recipe to be displayed, and then the chef's name. We want the chef to be a subtitle. We probably want some grouping by food type, and then by title, and finally by chef. And let's look at our database now. Oh, it's much nicer, properly sorted. And we can see the titles easily, and chef's name, and it's all grouped by food. But still, when we edit one of the recipes, we won't have a proper look, so let's go to options and select an HTML template. And if we now go back to any of these recipes and open one, we can see that it's now much more nicely displayed. And if we edit that recipe, we can see the forms as we're used to now. But that particular recipe is much nicer to look at. We may wish to make one further change if we go back to options. At the very top, the drill field will enable us to drill by here food. If we go back to our little recipe now, instead of seeing all the recipes at once, we see them, or we see food types. And if we look for fish, for example, we'll see only the recipes related to fish or desserts. Some nice recipes here. We see only the ones, the dessert ones. But of course, we can always see all the recipes that we have. That's it for this video.